Okay, Coquette Robinson with you today. It's been a while. Winter's letting up. It's the beginning of March. But it's windy as very strong winds today. Just strolling, decided last minute to just take the wheel out. I have my sister come over and stay with my mom, so that gives me a break. At least to ride my wheel for a little bit. So it's all good. It's all good. Put this down because it is shiny today. It's sunny and shiny. Really, it's real sunny today, big time. It's that winter sun. But the winds don't let up for nothing. Wow. I got a red light. I have a habit of stopping all the red lights. I don't normally take them unless I'm going to make a right turn. I go slow, but go through them is very rare. So with that, I'm going to enjoy this ride today. Today is Saturday, the 1st of March, 2025. Just bear with me a second. I'm trying to get this light. All right. Woo! It's a dead animal around here somewhere. Oh my goodness. Okay. Red light. Hopefully it turns green before I get to the light. To the intersection. So today's a perfect day to go for a stroll. Say, oh. Whoa, that was a hell of a crosswind. The winds are something else today, boy. I mean, they just come up, they just sucker punch you out of nowhere, right? It calms down momentarily. All of a sudden, it's just instant wind. 0 miles to, I don't know how fast, 30, 35 miles an hour. And it just pushes you back. So I gotta be careful because I could be in a turn and get one of those gust of winds. It makes the turns a little more complicated. Especially when you're holding the camera in front of you. With the camera off, I'm fine, but you know, you got the wind pushing my pole here, my camera. It makes it a little more complicated. But with that, I'm gonna stop here a minute. The light is red. There's a lot of traffic ahead of me. I'll put my camera down for a second. I just joined the local park here. It's easy to ride through the park right now through traffic. I'm going to go across town. And significant amount of traffic in this area. None compared to New York, but I'm saying I live in the suburbs, and they're building so many buildings around here that are condominiums and apartments for rent, and I'm talking about several dozen buildings, not just one or two, quite a few. Anyway, which means the traffic is going to get more congested, the parking gets fuller. You know, right now the park's empty because it's chilly, you know, but when the better weather comes, the good weather, it's going to be difficult to park and find parking in the park. As you see, I'm riding, this is not a bike lane, this is where the cars park in the park, the parking area. But it works good as a bike lane, but the problem is there's a lot of gravel on this, and it gets slippery when you're riding on your wheel, especially on a turn. It just wants to, you know, slide. You can feel it. You can slide over. So with that, I'm gonna put the camera back down, and I'll get right back to you as soon as I get back. Man, once again, these winds are too much today. I don't know how much crosswinds are, but I'm sure they're over 30 miles an hour. Because I'm going slow, and this thing tends to, when the wind hits you, it just wants to stop. Man, crosswinds are too much. Anyway, that's why I'm going slow. Especially when you got a camera. Those who ride electric unicycles with a camera in their hand, you know when it's windy, not just the wind pushes you, but it pushes your camera in your hand because you're balancing it with your right or left hand, no matter which one. But it tends to make you want to turn. But experience prevents you from doing that. But those are the dangers of carrying a camera in front of you. So with that, I'm gonna enjoy this ride. I don't have much words for today because I have been riding, I'm gonna say a minimum of 3 months. Since my last video, I'm guessing 3 months. And I'm just getting back to the groove of putting my stance on my wheel. I'm still riding my OG Sherman, 4 years old now. Still looks new, still runs new. So with that, let me put this camera back down and enjoy this ride. We'll talk later. This must be the car wash line. Yeah, man, if you want to clean the cars, you get a little itch of the spring fever. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Executive Car Wash in Newark Broadway. See, the light is red. I normally stop, but I see no cars coming.